Good morning, family. Welcome back once again to your channel, your show with your girl, Sharon. So today's video, as you can saw, if you did look by the time stamp on it, it's going to be a very short video. And the reason we are doing these videos in reverse is so that not only can Minx put the videos up on her channel daily to get her views up so she can get her money up. Let's just be real. So in doing that, by breaking it up and not just doing one full-on apartment tour, y'all would only watch one time, whereas if she's giving you a room at a time, you'd be more apt to watch each room, thus giving each room its own views, if that makes sense. She has to pay her bills, you know what I mean? So, because she had no clue as to what, where things were from or how I was going to play certain things, I just asked her a couple questions. What's your color scheme? I already knew she was farmhouse, so I didn't have to ask her, what's your style? I said, what are your color schemes? What do you want the vibe to be? Which she told me for the living room. You guys should have already watched that video. And that was that she just wanted an over-the-top, warm, cozy, homey feeling living space, because her and her kids spent a lot of time in the fall winter months doing fall winter stuff, movies, pajamas, like that's their thing, and I love it. So as I went through each space in the empty, I said, okay, what can you foresee for this space and this space and this space? And her main thing was keeping it open and airy. Not a lot of stuff, just that very modern farmhouse feel. But the challenge for me was really the kids' room, because she has 3 kids, as you may know or may not know, and she has one on the way. So the video you're going to watch now is actually, she's already put up the video of the actual tour. I'm piggybacking, coming back, telling you where things are from, and talking to you about one of the probably the most important pieces in that room. So if you're interested in how I came up with this neutral gender, because it couldn't lean more boy, it couldn't lean more girl, it needed to meet right there in the middle for the comfort of both boy and girl. And I think I achieved that, as well as freeing up space. So let's get started with the video. You guys let me know what you think, and I will come back at the very end after I talk your heads off in the video. And it's not going to be too long, more or less like a teaching situation in case you are faced with having to downsize and, oh my God, what can I use? What can I use? That type of thing. So stay tuned to the next clip, and we will go ahead and get started. Okay, fam, so here's the entrance into the kids' new, very monochromatic but happy-go-lucky, very warm and cozy bedroom. I'm going to elaborate on that 3-layer bunk bed here in just a moment, but I'm giving you a pan around of the bedroom. The bed did come from Wayfair.com. All the things that you see on the wall in this room I got from Hobby Lobby. I think those triangular shelves came from Hobby Lobby as well, and if not, they came from Time Yard. I'm not sure. The 9-cube stand there came from Big Lots. It was in Charlie's old room. The llama, the picture to the left of it, and all the other pictures on the wall, like I said, came from Hobby Lobby. The toy chest at the end. Okay, fam, so here's the room for the kids. And as you can see, as we enter into the room to the right, I hung that macrame that was sent to me by Time Yard. I'll try and link their website down below. This bed right here, this 3-layer bunk bed, which is from Wayfair, is no joke. Guys, so this is the 3-stacked bunk bed from Wayfair.com, which is where I got it. Comes in 3 colors, white, gray, and a brown color, like a chocolate. This is a very easy, simple way to save space when you have multiple kids in one room together. vertical space. This bed took me about 5.5 hours. That's with 2 people putting the bed together. So it's a lot of pieces that came with the bed. So be careful putting it together. This bed can also be broke down into just a regular bunk bed, bed over bed, and then have the single one, which is the lowest one, on the floor by itself. So if you have tiny tots. So because this is a gender room with boy and girl, I designed the middle one for the girl and the boy, top and bottom, with the color scheme. So again, this bed comes in 3 colors, takes up no space. The kids have a great cushy place to sleep and still have lots of floor space to play. Okay fam, so hopefully this video was helpful to anyone that may be decorating a different sex room for their children, boy, girl, or whatever the case may be. And it's a small space as well. Consider getting the 3-stack bunk beds, or even the double stack. Again, these 2 can be broke down into the regular and then have the 3rd on the floor if you have a smaller child. But the goal here was to bring in a very neutral palette, very simple, very calming. The toys that they play with will bring in the color. But for relaxation time, bedtime, we wanted to take it back to a very calm palette. So hopefully this video was helpful for you in decorating a child's room that may share boy, girl. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Okay, I apologize if you can hear outside noises. You are sitting literally about on the windowsill, and I do have the window up with air blowing through here. So hopefully that video was helpful to you. Again, I will leave Minx's link to the actual tour, her take on it, in the description bar down below, or either at the, at the top of the comment section for your easy access to just click on it and go. I'll pin it at the top where she actually done the, her take on the tour, because I wanted her to tour, each room or whatever. And certain rooms I felt like I needed to explain to you certain things in case you are faced with those or want to try those in your space, that especially small spaces. This is really geared more toward utilizing items that can give you full impact usage, but in a small space. And that bunk bed for that particular room done so. If they find, and I've explained this to her, that if they find that Menzie, which is the 1-year-old, is attempting to crawl up the ladders more so than getting down in his own little cubby, and they foresee it being a problem, she has enough room to take down the 2 on the top, leave those stacked because Charlie and King knows better, and Menzie can have the one on the bottom, and the ladder won't be as long for him to try and crawl all the way up to the top, which I don't think he'll try and do. But if he does, that is an option, that the bed can be broke down. It can be broke down 3 beds. It'll just be 2 regular sized beds side by side, and then the one that's lowest to the ground, which would be the bottom of the bunk bed. So if she was faced with that, even, she could just break it all the way down. If they foresee Menzie is trying to be a climber, and we don't want him to hurt himself, but at the same time we wanted their room, and so far he hasn't, to my knowledge, according to her. He hasn't attempted to climb up King's, but he did put his foot on the ladder of Charlie's, who has a shorter ladder to get into her bed. And even she's struggling a little bit. She's learning it, but she'll catch on really quick by watching King, whereas Menzie, it's going to take him a little bit of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you will also go over and watch her full take on the video. She didn't know where anything was from. So in the video, she couldn't tell you this is from here, here, and here. And I forgot. I couldn't remember if the triangular shelves, if I purchased those from Hobby Lobby, or if they were in that Time Yard stuff as well. I can't remember, you guys. I will have to go back and watch, but one of the two places. Either way, I'm going to link Time Yard's video or link down in the description of this video as well, because I did show you guys some of the stuff that they sent me that I use completely over at her place. So as she continues to do tours, you'll get to see where I place the Time Yard stuff in her place. So anyway, that being said, what time is it? It is 7:52 a.m. As you can see, I am still in the bed, but I'm on my first cup of coffee, and I'm going to lay here probably, well, I'm going to check some emails, but after that, I'm going to get up, and I'm going to clean my entire house from top to bottom, because while my mom has gone home already, and Minx has come and got all the rest of her stuff for, take to her house, I just want to clean my own space, just get it back to what it was, rearrange some stuff. I can show you guys my faux patio, because I have placed it together to kind of see which direction I want to go with it when I move. And so I'll show you guys that as well. But this is going to be a clean with me day. I'll do it separate from this video, of course. A clean with me video day, because I have stuff everywhere. And while mom is here and she would love to get in and I let her when I need her to. But if I'm able, you know what I mean, I will clean my own house. And I really, really need to clean and give a good scrub. Kids were here, germy hands and, snotty noses and, all of that. I just want a good wipe down of my place. Wash some things and just freshen up some stuff. Tidy up that room back there. Just cleaning stuff. And I'm going to bring you guys along the whole process of a motivational clean. And when I say motivational, not just motivating you, honey. Motivational for your girl, because she is still tired and achy and really need to be in this bed. But no. Can't do it. Got to get up. Got to keep it moving. Got to get things done. Okay? So that's the video you're going to get right after this one, is me pulling myself out of the comfort of this warm bed and into full on, let's get this house clean, back to Sharon mode. I got stuff everywhere. I need to organize some stuff so that when I do move, I'll know where to grab what from. You know what I mean? So that being said, again, I hope this video was helpful. And as she uploads the videos, I'll come in behind her and make a quick video tell you guys where things were from and why I done what I done. If that makes any sense whatsoever, not only are you helping her to get the views she needs, to get the money she needs, you're helping your girl out as well. The interior decorator, girl. Hugs and kisses. Mwah. I love you, fam. To the moon and back. Everyone, please stay blessed, stay positive, stay prayed up. Don't let anyone dictate your mood, fam. Do something good for yourself. And what? Always do something good for someone else. Because why? Because people all around the world. I say people all around the world. I say people all around the world. I say people all around the world need love too. And we're here to give it to them. And I will catch you in the cleaning video. So go ahead and get your cleaning supplies ready. Your coffee, your tea, your vodka, your gin juice, whatever it is you drink, so that you can be ready to go. Get your clean on. Very next video.